Creating sales tax groups one by one in QuickBooks Desktop can take time, especially when your sales tax group data is already available in Excel, CSV, tax setup sheets, old company file exports, or another system. Sales tax groups are useful when you need to combine multiple sales tax items, such as state tax, county tax, city tax, or local tax, under one group. Instead of creating each sales tax group manually, SaasAnt Transactions Desktop lets you import item sales tax group data in bulk, map the fields, review the records before sending them to QuickBooks Desktop, and download the import result for your records. In this video, I will show you how to import item sales tax groups into QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. To learn how to connect SaasAnt Transactions Desktop with QuickBooks Desktop, check the setup video link in the description. From the SaasAnt home screen, click Import. Now select Item Sales Tax Group. Next, browse and select your prepared Item Sales Tax Group file from your system. SaasAnt will automatically map the fields in your file with the matching QuickBooks fields. If needed, you can also adjust the mapping manually. To reuse this mapping later, click Add or Save Mapping. Make sure the necessary fields such as Sales Tax Group Name, Description, and Line Tax Item are mapped correctly. Once the mapping is done, continue to the Review and Import screen. Here, review the item sales tax group data before sending it to QuickBooks Desktop. You can make quick corrections directly in the grid if needed. You can also open import settings to review item-related preferences if needed. After reviewing the records, click Send to QuickBooks Desktop. SaasAnt will import the item sales tax group records into QuickBooks Desktop. Once the import is complete, SaasAnt will show the result summary. Here, you can see the total records, successful records, and failed records. If any record fails, fix the error and re-import the corrected record. To verify the imported item sales tax group records in QuickBooks Desktop, go back to QuickBooks Desktop and open the item list. Search for the imported sales tax group names and confirm that the records are available. Use Undo if you need to roll back the imported item sales tax group records. You can download the import result for your records. That's how you import item sales tax groups into QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop.